Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. So today we are going to learn how we can just create a new account on Snapchat. So as we all know that Snapchat is very popular nowadays for sharing our videos, photos and clips with our friends. So what this Snapchat actually do is it just connect us with our friends through the various photos or our daily life and our day-to-day things which we do. So how we can just sign up or just create an account? In this video I'm going to teach how we can create a new account on Snapchat. So for that, please watch the video till the very end. So for creating the account on Instagram, you have to click on sign up and just click on continue and allow, and here you have to write your first name and then last name and then click on sign up and accept, and then just put your date of birth. If you want to change your username, you can just click on change your username and just write is according to your needs, like I just want to create like this one, and then you can just click on continue. And after that you have to just create a strong password. So for now you have to just create a strong password so that no one can just actually access to that password. After that you have to just click on continue, and here you can see that there is a two-step verification code which will be sent on your number. Just click on continue, and here will be confirmation code will be sent to my number. Beside number you can also enter your email address for that, like as my Snapchat just copy this automatically, I don't have to did anything. After that just click on continue, and that's all. There are few suggestions for you which you can add to your Snapchat, but if you don't want to, just click on skip option, or if you want to select any friend you can just select from here, but if you don't want to select any friend just click on continue, and that's all. You can just create your bit emoji, or you can just entirely just skip it, like I'm just going to skip it. Just click on continue, and here you can just select a random. For being here you have to just enter your image and just select one of these photos, like I'm just going to select this one and click on continue. Your avatar is ready, just click on done, and that's all. Now you're on Snapchat and you can just manually enter your friends or just do whatever you want to. So that's all for this video. I hope this video was a great help to you, and if you find this video helpful, please do share with your friends and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching the video.